Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are heading out on a small but beautiful adventure from Shillong all the way to the Rangkylliaw Bridge, also known as the Mawrah Bridge. It's a hidden gem tucked away in the East Khasi Hills, surrounded by clouds, hills, and that peaceful Meghalaya vibe we all love. The journey started early in the morning. The weather was cool, the sky was little moody, and the roads were not exactly smooth. But that what make road trips in Meghalaya so exciting. Every turn was a view waiting for you. As we climbed higher, the clouds slowly started rolling in. You could literally feel the mist brushing against your face. We took a short break here just to breathe it all in. That calmness, that silence, and that endless view of the hills. After about an hour of riding through windy roads and small villages, we finally got a glimpse of the Rangkylliaw Bridge in the distance. That yellow structure standing tall in the mist, it felt like something straight out of a movie. When we reached the spot, the view was unreal. The bridge connects two cliffs over a deep valley, and you can hear the sound of water far below. Locals says it's one of the longest suspension bridges in the area, and honestly, the photos do not do it justice. The mist got thicker as we stepped onto the bridge. Every few steps, the world just disappeared into white. It's a little scary if you are afraid of heights, but the experience, totally worth it. After spending some peaceful time there, it was time to head back. The ride through these tree-lined roads made the perfect ending to the day. Meghalaya never fails to surprise. Even the roads here look like postcards. So that was our little journey from Shillong to the Rangkylliaw Bridge, a place that deserves way more attention. If you ever visit Meghalaya, make sure to take this trip. It's raw, it's scenic, and it's pure magic. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel vlogs from the Northeast. See you in the next one.